Want to know how to grow your butt with exercises? Well, you've come to the right place. This video is your one-stop guide to understanding and performing a set of exercises that can help enhance and shape your glutes, the largest muscles in our bodies. From squats to lunges and even glute bridges, we've got it all covered. These exercises are not just about aesthetics, but also about strengthening your lower body. So are you ready to learn some effective exercises for a bigger butt? First, it's important to understand the muscles you're going to work on. Now, when we talk about the butt, we're really talking about three main muscles: the gluteus maximus, the gluteus medius, and the gluteus minimus. The gluteus maximus is the largest of the trio, and it's primarily responsible for hip extension or pushing your hips forward. It's also the one that gives your butt its shape. The gluteus medius, situated on the outer surface of your pelvis, is involved in hip abduction or moving your leg away from the midline of your body. Lastly, the gluteus minimus, the smallest of the group, supports the medius in hip abduction and assists in internal rotation of the hip. Exercising and strengthening these muscles is key to building a bigger, stronger butt. Each muscle plays a unique role, and together they work in harmony to provide shape, strength, and stability. Now that you know the muscles you're targeting, let's move on to the exercises. The first exercise is the classic squat. Start by standing tall, feet shoulder width apart. As you inhale, bend your knees and lower your hips as if you're sitting back into a chair, keeping your chest up and your back straight. As you exhale, push through your heels, returning to the starting position. By doing this, you're targeting the gluteus maximus, the muscle that gives your butt its shape and lift. So keep those squats in your routine, because remember, consistency is key when it comes to seeing results from squats. Next up, we have lunges. A great way to work those glute muscles is by taking long strides forward, dropping your back knee towards the ground and pushing back up. Keep your torso straight and your front knee over your ankle. Lunges are fantastic because they target all three glute muscles: the maximus, medius, and minimus. This trio is what gives your butt its shape and lift. So if you're looking for overall butt growth, lunges are your go-to exercise. Make sure to do lunges on both legs to ensure balanced growth. Our final exercise is the glute bridge. This exercise is a real game changer when it comes to building and sculpting the perfect butt. So how do we perform a glute bridge? Start by laying flat on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat on the ground. Your arms should be at your sides, palms facing down. Now engage your core and lift your hips off the ground until your knees, hips, and shoulders form a straight line. Remember to keep your shoulders on the ground. The magic of the glute bridge comes from squeezing your glutes at the top of the lift. This not only strengthens your glute muscles, but also shapes them, giving you that desired round and firm look. Glute bridges are a wonderful isolation exercise, meaning they primarily target one muscle group, the glutes. This makes them a powerful tool in your butt growth arsenal. Glute bridges can really make a difference in your butt growth journey. So give them a try and feel the burn. So there you have it, 3 effective exercises for growing your butt. We've delved into the world of squats, lunges, and glute bridges, each with their unique contributions to your goal of a fuller, stronger butt. Let's take a quick trip down memory lane. We started our journey with a look at the anatomy of the butt, learning about the gluteus maximus, the gluteus medius, and the gluteus minimus. These are the 3 primary muscles that give your butt its shape and power. We then moved on to squats, a classic exercise that not only targets your glutes, but also works your entire lower body. Remember, the key to effective squats is proper form. Keep your back straight, your chest up, and your knees over your toes. Next, we tackled lunges, a versatile exercise that can be done anywhere, anytime. Lunges are great for targeting both the gluteus maximus and the gluteus medius, providing a comprehensive workout for your butt. Finally, we explored the world of glute bridges, a fantastic exercise for isolating and targeting your glutes. Incorporating glute bridges into your routine will certainly aid in your butt growth journey. So if you're serious about making your butt grow, these exercises are a great place to start. Incorporate them into your regular workout routine and watch as your butt transforms. Remember, consistency is key. Keep at it and you'll see results in no time. Thanks for watching, and here's to your butt growth journey.